Hello everyone. In the next video, I'm going to explain some confusing pairs of words in English language. But in this video, I would like to give you a quiz on some of those pairs. If you're ready, let's jump in. Well, there are 8 sentences, and for each you've got 2 words. So you have to read every sentence carefully and choose the correct word to fill in the blanks. The first sentence is, the weather can affect or affect your mood. For this sentence, you have 2 words. The first one is affect with the letter A, and the second one is effect with the letter E. So read the sentence carefully and choose the right word. Sentence number 2. Everyone attended the meeting except John, except John. Again, you have 2 words. The first one is accept, ACCEPT, and the second word is EXCEPT. So you have to read the sentence and choose the right word. Number 3, he gave her a compliment on her dress. Again, you have 2 words. A compliment, actually I have 2 words. One is compliment with the letter E, and again is compliment with the letter I. So read the sentence carefully and choose the correct word. Number 4, she believes in the principle of equality for all. Again, you have 2 words with the same pronunciation but different spelling. One is principle with PAL at the end, and the other word is principle with PLE at the end. So read the sentence carefully and choose a word that best fits the sentence. Sentence number 5, he bought new stationery for his office. Again, you have 2 words, stationery with the same pronunciation but different spellings. So stationery with NARY at the end and stationery with NERY at the end. Read the sentence and find the word that is correct in meaning. For sentence number 6, you have 2 words. The first one is further and the second one is farther. And the sentence is, we walked further than we planned, or we walked farther than we planned. Sentence number 7 is, he gave me some good advice and he gave me some good advice. Again, you have 2 words. Number 1 is ADVICE and the second word is ADVISE. The first word is pronounced as advice and the second word is pronounced as advise, right? So find the correct word that best fits in meaning in this sentence. And finally, sentence number 8, which is the last sentence. Don't lose your keys and don't lose your keys. Again, you have 2 words. The first word is LOSE and the second word is LOOSE. The first word is pronounced as lose and the second word is pronounced as lose. So read the sentence carefully and choose the right option. So please write down your answers in the comments. We'll definitely read them and give you a feedback, and wait patiently for the video where we will be explaining these confusing pairs plus some more. Thank you so much.